Hello guys, good morning. Andito po ako sa beach ng Paliton at ito pala yung private resort o private land. Papunta ako doon sa kabilang beach. So nakikita ninyo po yung mga halaman at saka yung puno ng coconut is nagda-dry kasi talagang summer na summer dito guys. At ang daming turista dito. At yeah. Literal na white sand talaga guys. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell and click the follow and